Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how I do my Belle Cosplay makeup. If you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned. Start off by applying a lip balm and then a face primer, and then I move on to foundation. Mix together my Fenty Beauty foundation as well as my Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation for this look. Then I apply Kat Von D Beauty's Lock It Concealer in L5. For blush, I use the Real Her Blush Kit, and I use the shade Flawless, and I use that on my cheeks and my nose. Then I use my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette to contour my face. I use the IT Cosmetics Wonder Brow to start filling in my brows. And then I move on to the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in Ash Brown. Look, I'm using my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I use the shade Bay as a base, and then I go in with Shy and Sandalwood on my crease. I use the shade Henna to darken my crease in the outer half of my lid, and then I go over that with the shade Cocoa. I use my finger to apply the metallic shade Moondust to the inner half of my lid. Go back in with Shy and Sandalwood on my lash line. I used Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner and Trooper to create a wing, and then I used NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to widen my eyes by using it on my waterline. Then I used the shade Henna to darken my lash line. Highlight, I'm using Shadows of Reverie's highlighter in Lunar Flare, and I'm applying this to my inner corner, brow bone, cheekbones, and nose. This is formerly Frosty Shadows, and I'm pretty sure I still have a coupon code for them, and if you use the code HannahReviews, you'll get some money off. My lips, I start out with the Tarteist lip paint and Get It, and then I blot that off and apply a little bit of pink gloss. And I'm done. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!